In this short demonstration, I want to introduce a new feature, automatic decline design. Once we open the tool, we can combine manual design with automated generation. To start, I'll define the initial sections manually, selecting a starting point and adding a combination of curves and straight segments. For the curve, we define parameters such as radius, angle, and gradient, and for the straight section, we specify the grade and length. Once we've established the initial setup and choose the location to bring the decline down, we can switch into automatic mode. In this example, I'll select a helix configuration rather than a figure eight, and then interactively define where we want the spiral to finish. The software then uses your defined radius, gradient constraints, and tangents directions to dynamically generate and preview the decline. So we also have multiple options available, including external clockwise, external counterclockwise, or shortest path, depending on the preferred design outcome. And once we apply the solution, we get an immediate visual of the generated decline, ready for further refinement or integration into the plan. But what if we want to create a step decline rather than a continuous spiral? Well, the workflow is very similar. We open the decline tool and define our target radius and gradients. From there, we select an endpoint, which in this case represents a level axis location. Then we choose the appropriate tangent options and repeat the process, selecting the next endpoint for the following segment. By stepping through these points, we can progressively build a decline that connects multiple axis levels. So once all the segments are defined, we simply hit apply and exit the tool. The result is a decline with multiple axis points. Finally, the multiple mode allows the user to select a single string that represents the direction of the decline. We will choose this option to show how to rapidly build a figure eight decline. The loop direction allows us to determine the orientation of the ramp. Thank you.